Are you okay?
Yes, are you okay?
Yeah, I've never felt an earthquake before.
Me too, that was scary. We've experienced hurricanes, but never an earthquake.
I'm going to look around and see how bad the damage is.
Be careful, there could be aftershocks.
I know. Don't go outside. The power is down. There could be power lines on the ground.
Okay, where are the dogs?
I found them. They're both under the bed.
They must be scared.
I wish we could watch the news. I want to know how much damage is earthquake caused.
Let's me find the radio. We can listen to the news.
I think it's in the garage.
Do we have any batteries for it?
Yeah, let me get them.
I know the big one was coming one day, but we weren't prepared.
Yeah, that was a big mistake.
We better pick an emergency kit for next time.
I just spoke with my mom. She and my dad are devastated. The fire is moving closer to their home.
What can they do?
The firefighters say there is nothing they can do at this point. They have to evacuate immediately.
That's horrible.
I know. I wish I could help them, but we live in another state.
Where are they going to stay tonight?
They're going to stay with my sister until they find another place to live.
Why don't they stay with us too? They can come here after things settle down.
That might be a good idea. Maybe being away from there will help them forget about all of this.
Well, they will never forget, but hopefully they will be able to move on.
Bob, I'm so sad. That was my childhood home. I have so many memories of that place.
I'm sorry, I know this must be very difficult for you and your parents.
Thanks, my sister too. She and I grew up in the house. My parents lived there for 40 years.
I can't believe Wilfrey can destroy everything so quickly. It's just terrible.
They're going to lose everything. The firefighters gave the only a few hours to pack.
Is anyone helping them fix?
Yeah, my sister is with them. She's going to call me later tonight.